Well, hi there. We are here at Lanai Lookout, and this is such a beautiful spot for people to come to view. It's called Lanai Lookout because on a clear day, if you're really lucky, you can see the island of Lanai out there. Today is an exceptional day because not only can you see Lanai, you can also see Molokai and Maui, and that is a very rare day where it's so clear that you can see all three islands off of the coast of Oahu here. Speaking of exceptional views, you're in luck because our next dealer that is going to share some stuff with you is Dr. Federico Pezzotta and Alesandro Paladini from MCP with some great stuff that they're bringing to the 2023 HardRock Summit Show. Federico, Alesandro, show us your stuff.
Hello, Brian. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hope everybody is excited like us to be in Denver, to arrive in Denver and see what is new there. We are trying to bring some new materials we had chance to purchase in some collections and in some projects around the world. So if you are excited, we are trying to show you what could be the most interesting material we will bring. Not everything, because something is already packed inside the crates. So you have to come. You must have to come and see it in person. And you have to just have a quick view of what is not still packed. We start with some interesting amethyst inverse scepter from Namibia. The quality of the crystal is absolutely stunning. This is not restored, not repaired. Very transparent with a deep purple color, and the shape usually from this locality we see just scepter, normal scepter. In this case, I think it's pretty rare to find an interesting inverse with some phantoms inside, so could be something interesting.
Okay, I show you something which was quite surprising for me. Maybe it looks horrible, but it is huge. This is brochite, a partial pseudomorph of rutile on the brochite, but these are loose crystals found in quite a remote area in Madagascar, in the Amburuputsi region. And I was very surprised because this material was famous and described historically. I was not expecting to have some of these huge and nice thick crystals, which, okay, you know that brochite now is quite widespread as a common mineral coming from Pakistan, but this is a distinctly different material, thick crystals, and there is a parts of pseudomorph of rutile, and the locality is absolutely rare.
Something half ugly and half good. It's a topaz with shoreline on it from Brazil. These finds are almost 30 years ago, in the 90s. And this one especially was in a very important collection in Italy. We had chance to purchase. You can see a double germinated crystals of shoreline and some other crystals staying on the top of a beautiful topaz. Beautiful. This is from Mimoso do Sul.
Yeah, this is one of my preferred pieces because of the nice association. It is so difficult to have these two species represented in such nice crystals on a single specimen. And I really like personally as a pegmatite mineral lover.
I know just from Min that in the past they determined as uvite, but after they change in shoreline. So
sure.
And if we move to Italy, because we have to bring some Italian minerals, we have this beautiful barite from Sardinia. You can see the phantoms inside, typical. This is a funny shape with the V and the small boy in the middle. The quality of these crystals is the top for the locality, and the shape helps the pieces to stay in each cabinet, in every cabinet of all the collectors.
Yeah, I have to say that when we were selecting the specimen for this presentation and we were going through our showcases, I saw this barite. Villa Massaggia barite from Sardinia is one of my preferred barite from all localities. And I believe personally that this material was underestimated in the past in the market. But Alessandro said, oh yes, it's a nice piece, we trimmed this came out. I told him, this is a killer. I really like it. We have to have it in the video. So I convinced him and he said, okay, you gave me good energy. Villa Massaggia barite will be in the video.
It's hard to see Pezzotta so strong on a piece. It's not a tourmaline. So this means a lot. This means a lot.
And the condition is perfect. No repair, no restoration, nothing. Just trimmed in the perfect shape.
Yeah. And the last one, just for the size, we have the energy to present some beautiful quartzes from Colombia. This is a stunning piece. The crystals are up to 25 centimeters. What we love about this piece, it's you can see some rainbow inside because the quality is incredible high, and the difference between some faces super lustrous and some other are a little bit dull. This, I think, helps the aesthetic of the piece. No repairs and no restoration on such a big piece is very, very rare. I don't know if you can see how big it is. And the quality of all the crystals is outstanding, in my opinion.
Alessandro has very big hands, so everything in his hands looks small, but I tell you, this is a big piece.
Yeah. And we will have some other small brothers of this with the same quality, top quality from Peña Blanca. So hope to see you guys. Last teaser for everybody. To don't miss Denver. An entire showcase of yellow crystals. I hope to see you, everybody, there. We will surprise you with some others, sulfur from Sicily. So don't miss the Denver show. Stop by to the MCP. We will show you also the giant gemmy crystals we are bringing to shock somebody. So I think we'll deserve a trip. Come and say hello to us. You will find us to the HardRock Summit.